Hi guys, Phil Morgan here. I want to talk to you today about a brand new product out called Meerkat Profits. It's a really simple way of this guy is going to give you 20 products that you can sell and you make all the commission on it. You haven't got any of the work for building the products or anything. He's giving you the products to sell. He's giving you the products that if you wish you can give them away to other people as bonuses, and he's also giving you the products, 20 of them, to use for yourself. Each one of these products would have sold for at least $13–15, and he's giving you 20 of them basically for the price of one, with the permission that he's given you to sell it to other people. So let's have a quick look at what he's doing here. It's quite a quick video really, because it's so simple that there's very little to explain. So let's go through it and have a little look. I'm going to hide myself up there. It's called Meerkat Money. I don't know why he does it, but all his products he has an animal's name to them. So this is the way he does it. So how would you like a license to print money? There's his little image. Any of these buttons on the page that you can see will take you through to his page to just check on a few things, and then you can go and buy the product. Product, by the way, is $13. I mean, for 20 products. Every one of them is 12. You'd buy this one for 13. You get 20 more basically, with the giveaway rights. This is the reseller. This is the important thing here. Normally, a manufacturer, a supplier will give you the reseller rights for $70–90, something like that. He's giving you the reseller rights and the giveaway rights to 20 of his products, plus this one, as you can pay a little bit more for, and it's $13 to get into it. So this is what he's doing. He's giving the reseller rights. Sell them as if they're your own, 100% commission across the funnel. Because when you sell one of these products, extra offers will come up. So you get $13 for the first one. Somebody will then pay a second offer that says, hey, would you like this improvement to it? It may be another $15, $20, $50. You will get all of that money to go with it. So, and 20 of these products to do that with. It's incredible, really. So bonus rights include, you give them away too, full product access for your own use, so you can use all these products as well. Guaranteed approval. If you may not understand that, what it means is that to sell someone's products, you have to have permission. He is guaranteeing you permission all these products. You have to go through a short process of just typing something in on the computer, then you get a link come back that's your link to sell. He's teaching you how to get the free traffic as well. So if you're driving the traffic, no point having products if you haven't got the traffic. It's no point having a shop if you haven't got customers. It's the same thing. So he teaches you how to get the free traffic. Grab your links. This is what I've said. You go to Warrior Plus, get your links, and he's also giving you squeeze pages. These are the things that will help you build an email list of them. This is the guy. His name's Howard. He's I'll let you read this. He's explaining it. The guy makes money basically. If someone's making $25,000 a month doing what he does, then he's worth listening to. I'd let you read through this yourself. It's just a bit of explanation. He's giving the 20 products, but the guy makes money. This is the way I look at things. And if someone's making money, he's well worth listening to. Here's a quick shot of his 25 grand that I was on about. That's in 1 month for September, I think it was. So he makes money. Here's a demonstration video for you on the product itself. He's going to outline how the product works. This is what you get for your front end. This is what you get for your $13 or $12.95. You'll get 100% reseller rights, 20 of his best products, including Warrior Plus deals of the day. Deal of the day means it was a product that sold an immense amount in any one day. And he won that on a number of occasions with his products. So you've got the rights to it. You can get the VIP upgrade package here. Now I put down two figures here. You can see it says 37 and 17. Not everybody will show you this, to be honest, but it'll come up when you buy this. It will come up, say thanks very much indeed. Don't go yet. Let me show you something else. And for it's $37 is the price. If you say no to it, the price drops to 17. And it also says get a upgrade worth 64 on all of his sites that you can get to. He's also got 25 websites, and you can get into those for $17. Is allowing you to get the upgrades into those sites as well, and a banner of your choice in the rotator. So what he means by that is he has banners on his sites, and he rotates the people on the banner. So if you buy into this for a period of time, your product will be on that rotating banner. So on hour 1 it's somebody, on hour 2 it's somebody else, hour 3 it's somebody else, and that's another way of making money for you. OTO2, one time offer, that means He's done for you campaigns. This is a campaign I'm running here. I've had to do this video, produce all this. He will send you for $47. Don't forget it comes up at 97, but you can say no and get 47. He will send you 3 of these reviews that you're watching now per week. That's 150 per year for $47. 30 cents a video, I don't know, something like that. It's ridiculous because I know these take time to do. He does put in here that you would need a product called Commission Gorilla. Commission Gorilla is a program that makes these videos basically, or allows us to do this. It costs $47, I think, or $49 for the basic cost. The upgrade on that is $99 per year. But if you add that onto the 47, it's not a lot of money for what you're getting. Without Commission Gorilla, do not buy this, okay? So if you're prepared to buy the Commission Gorilla, you get a 14-day trial with it, so you can try it out for a bit and then see what happens. I use Commission Gorilla. I think it's worth the money. It's up to you whether you do it or not, but to get 150 of these type of products, these reviews for $47 is, well, it's a bit annoying really, because it takes me ages to do them, but well worth doing. Number 3, what else do you get here? $37, $17 if you drop it out. Get reseller rights to this product as well. So if you want to get the reseller rights to this product, $17, and then you keep all the money in the commission on the funnel as well. This is the funnel, basically. This is what we call a funnel. So if you are promoting one of the products that are on the list that I'll show you in a minute, and someone buys it, you get the $13. If someone does the upgrade, whether they pay the 37 or 17, you get that amount of money. If you did it on this one and they upgraded from 97 or 47, you would get all of that money. So this is what reseller rights mean. OTO 4, that will all come up as well, is, sorry I'm mucking about on the screen too much. Get notified a week before the launch of all new releases that he's out there, and you're going to get a review copy of the product, guarantee approval to sell it, and he's giving you the DVD, the video to do it with as well. So it's given you plenty of time to get prepared to promote the products, and this is a big thing. Get a week ahead. Some of the products I promote, I find out a day before that what they're doing with it, and it's very difficult. He is very good at this. He does things in advance. This is brilliant. It's expensive, but it's expensive to buy. It's cheap for what it is, if that makes sense. He produces products. He's done 25, 26 products, and he makes money off of his products. He works with other people for a fee. So if you wanted to produce a product, he would help you find one. If you've got your own ideas, he would help you all the way along the line with his experience of how to set this up. And he only did it 5 times last year. He's doing it again 5 times this year because it's time consuming for him. So the first 5 people, he will help you do this. He'll do a load of the work for you. You get 25% of the profit it makes, but you get a buyer's list as well. This is a bargain price for doing it. Most other people charge twice as much as this. But he's earning 25 grand a month. He knows what he's doing. Now, he said he'd get these 20 products. He's written them all. He's shown them all here. These are all past products of him. You get the rights to all of these products here to sell. Okay? Don't forget, it's just $13 to get them, and if you didn't even want to promote them, you get them all to use anyway. So $13 for 20 products, or plus this one, 21 products, is a bargain. These little buttons here, when you click on any of these should take you across to his sales page, where he does a little bit more explaining, shows a few more pictures to go with it. So as a quick recap, you're going to get 20 products you sell as your own. You can get them step-by-step videos with them all, guaranteed approval to sell them. That's just that you can't sell them without approval. No list, no paid traffic, no reviews needed. He does the reviews for you. You don't need a website or techie skills and how to drive traffic. However, to push this further forward, he's now offering, as well as that, these 5 bonuses to go with it. Bonus 1, bonus page builder. I won't go into that. It's a superb product to help build a page that sells, basically. This could be a bonus page thing. This is a bonus page. He shows you how to build them with this product. Lockdown, this is one of his products from a few months ago. You get that to go with it. Bots training, this is the messenger bots on Facebook, teach you how to do that. Live wire is, I don't know what this is, I'm not going to lie to you, but if he's promoting it, it helps. It's it's all to do with social media, and this one is review site secrets. This is a review site that I have. This is teaching you roughly how we do things. Here's the button to take it across. However, make it even better. I'm going to give you a huge packet of bonuses to go along with this. These are all products that have made money or will help you make money. They are all tried, tested and proven. So it sounds rude this. If you can't make money with what he's given you and what I'm giving you, then seriously look up whether you think you're going to make money online at all, because there is everything here you need. With his package, forget my bonuses for a minute, he's given you enough on his page alone to make money. These extra things that you can do to make money as well. So method there, sold this year, sold by thousands of products this year. It is sold in thousand numbers, should we say rather. This is make money. CPA, another method of making money, all the details there. Fuego multiplier, another product that made money last year. 0 hours working week, and yes, get what? It made money last year. This year, I should say, money is not finished. Whether you've tried using Reddit or not, I don't know. This is, I missed a D out of Reddit. This is the way of using Reddit to make money. A complete course in landing pages. I wouldn't say it's complete, I'm not going to fib, but there's enough details down to get you on your way to looking how to make landing pages. That landing page is what people are on when they sign up to you. That's a landing page. Case study on email marketing. This guy makes loads of money on email marketing. He shows you what he does. Advanced traffic blueprint, other methods of using traffic, YouTube, solo ads, live events, forum marketing, Amazon, Kindles, writing Kindle books, all in there. Detailed ways of making more money by getting more traffic. Okay, Darren is giving you products, he's giving you traffic methods. This is more traffic methods for you. Keyword searching. Keywords are when you type into the computer, how do I clean my car? Whatever you type in, they're keywords. And if you know how to use keywords, if you type into the computer how to make money online, there's 4 billion searches a month or something like that. If you wanted to get people to look at your site with those keywords, you'd struggle. This teaches you how to find what we call long tail keywords and more unusual ones that will drive less traffic but more focused traffic to your sites. How to turn articles into videos, a product on link building, Surefire Wealth. This is a year's membership to 150 a year course. You're getting a year for nothing. And this one, I love it anyway, iPassive video course, 20 videos within this showing you how to do it. And Monster Money, another way of making money. So for $13, you're getting his 20 products. You're getting the money, Meerkat money. You're getting the bonuses he's giving you. You're getting the bonuses I'm giving you here. This will make you, you're only here to make money, let's be honest. And you've got enough here to do this with. No risks to the product. You don't like it, you give it back basically. And he gives you a refund. He can do this because he gets 2% of people refunded. There's always going to be a percentage. But 2% is incredibly low. So you've got no risks with it there as well. If you've got any questions, I've left my email down here, contact@Phil's marketing site. You can drop me a line there and I'll answer any questions. This is only available for about 5 days at this price. So if you're interested in getting into it, get into it now. You'll go on these yellow buttons, as I said, across to his page. There they are. There's the yellow buttons that will take you across to his page. And his page is really similar because I copied most of it, I'll be honest. That's how we do the reviews. And he's got a few more bits on there, a few more bits of proof of income. He's got another video on there where he introduces what he does. And I'm hoping this is starting to load up now. There's a lot of stuff on this page. It's a slow load up at first. So this would be the page. He will have yellow buttons here saying get this now. They would have taken you across to the payment page where you'd pay your $13 and then you would get these other options that I spoke about. Remember the OTOs come up, so you would pay your 13. As it says thanks very much, then comes up the offer to get any more. So really what you've got on this page is a little bit of gumph about Dawud and how he makes his money, and you've got just basically some pretty pictures on here that will explain the product a little bit more depth than I've gone through to. So it's well worth looking at this page, and you'd have to go here anyway to go and get his products. There's some other money products information on here as well. It's brief. I think I've covered most of what's necessary to know. And this is really on a slow load. Apologise for this. It's the more we tend to put on these videos, the longer they take to load up. That's the proof one that I showed you earlier, the 25,000 a month. And what he says, if he's making money, there's no reason why you can't, to be perfectly honest. So, and again, pretty picture basically. Who's it for? It's for anybody who wants to make money. You don't need techie skills to do this. You haven't got to be give up your job or anything like this. It's a part-time thing, particularly as he's giving you the products there anyway, because product creation takes time. So thanks for looking at this. He said probably in 15 minutes in, I think I've gone through enough to really, if you're looking at making money, there's enough on here to do this. And you can make the money very quickly if you spend a few hours doing it. You've got everything there to do it. He teaches you what to do. You go through the program with him. I've put in here, if I missed it out on a bit earlier, I apologise. Let's just scoot up for a few seconds. There's a video I put in here where he shows you how it all works. There it is. This is the video where you can click in there. I've got the product, so you can see how it comes up on this left-hand side here, and you click on the topic and it takes you across to a video, and there's a number of videos there saying do this, do this, do this, do this. Just follow what he says. I've bought most of his products, I'll be honest. I think he's great. If I'd known I was going to get the lot for $13, I probably wouldn't have bought them as early as I did. His products are brilliant. He knows what he's doing. He's making money. Copy what he does and you can make some money as well. So thanks for your time and listening to this. Go and have a look at it. It's called Meerkat Money, and you go along, press your buttons and check it all over. You can make money with this. This is what it's all about. People need money. There's a lot of jobs not going about at the moment. I live in Spain and it's very hard for some people to find income at the moment. This is a brilliant product wherever you live, and it can help you start work online. As I said, the important thing is what you get is an immense amount and no techie skills needed as well. So go ahead, check it out and let me know what you think. Emails at the bottom. Take care. Have a great day.